This is cooking in our dorm room. I'm here with the Dash 8-inch griddle, and today we are going to do quesadillas. Now, for now we have our tortillas. If you're counting carbohydrates, this brand right here is really good. The carb counter, one of these tortillas is 13 carbohydrates. So we're going to need 2 of those. That would be 26 carbohydrates. We're going to use some pre-shredded cheese, any brand you want. I like the Mexican brand blend the best. You can do a Monterey Jack, Colby Jack, whatever you want. And I have some pre-made salsa that I made. You can buy salsa if you want. And you can add meat. Some leftover chicken from a rotisserie chicken or whatever. Chicken is my favorite, but you can add some pre-made shrimp, leftover steak, anything you want if you want protein on your quesadilla. So stick with me, we'll make a quesadilla and we'll have us a little Mexican meal. Alright, we have the griddle plugged in and warming up. We do not need to put butter spray on it or anything like that. So while we are waiting for the griddle to heat up, we are going to chop our leftover rotisserie chicken up into smaller pieces. You could, if you don't have a knife, you could pull it apart. And I'm going to open up the cheese. That's ready to go. So the light on the griddle just went out. So we're going to open it up. Remember to only touch the handle because it's hot everywhere else. No need to spray. And we're going to build it right there on the griddle. So we're going to put 1 tortilla down. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of cheese. So grab a handful of cheese. If it doesn't look good, you can grab more, but if it looks like it's too much, you're going to have to take off. So be a little conservative at the beginning. Lay it nice and flat, spread it out. So we get all nice and melty. And I'd do just a little bit more. It's pretty good. And now we're going to put chicken on top. They're leftover chicken. Make sure it's in somewhat small, nice and flat pieces so that the quesadilla will lay nice and flat. You're going to want to spread that out a little evenly. After our chicken, we will put more cheese on top. It looked like enough. If you have too much, that's fine. You don't have to put it all on there.
I think it's enough.
Okay, grab another handful of cheese. If you want salsa, you can put salsa on at this time, or you can put it on the very top when your quesadilla is done. It's up to you. You don't even need to put salsa on if you don't want to. You can also add hot sauce. If you have some hot sauce packets from the fast food restaurant, you can do that. Or some Cholula if you got some Cholula sitting around. Alright, we're going to put the second tortilla on top.
You know, I actually kind of do want to try with salsa.
Okay. Here, let me give you a spoon. And that's the leftover salsa from the other night. And you put on just however much you want. I made my salsa in the blender, so if you guys want to know how to make salsa, I will let you know. Just leave a comment and we can do that. Pretty good? More? Alright. Okay. Sweet. This is going to be a good one. Alright, so to end it, we just top it off with the other tortilla and we shut the lid. And always being careful to grab only the handle. We will check back in about 2 minutes. Okay, I love rotisserie chickens because they're already cooked and you can get several meals out of one of them. You do a lot with them. Alright, our 2 minutes is almost up. Okay, we're going to lift the lid and check on it. We might need to flip it over and just say, let's check under there. I didn't mean to get in your way. It smells good. Use your hands. Yeah, alright. So you might need to use your hand just a little bit. It's not super hot. It's warm, but it's not super hot. Okay. Can you do that with your hand so that when it falls, when you flip it? Yeah. There you go. You did it. All right, we'll check back in about 2 minutes again. Okay, so it's not been quite 2 minutes almost. We did open it up early to see if it was doing okay. It smells amazing. So we're going to unplug it to turn it off. Yeah, and we're going to take it out. And it's up to you. Oh man, look at that. It looks good. It smells good too. And you might have to use your hand a little bit. So it's warm, but it's not super hot.
It actually is pretty hot.
It is pretty hot. Alright, now it's up to you. You can just leave it like it is, or you can cut it in half or into pie wedges. Like I said, it's up to you. Alright, look at that. I would do like a cross pattern all the way across. One up, one down, and one sideways. Yep. Let's see, sometimes you need a little bit of help. They do have paring knives at the grocery store. We found one, and it comes with a slip cover. That is what my son uses at the dorm to cut things like this. Alright. We got a fly. Darn it. Sometimes flies happen. Annoying as they are, they sometimes happen. Alright, I will take a pretty quick picture here. And there you have it. It looks pretty good. It looks like it's all nice and melty and yummy. Alright.